कांग्रेस के रहनुमा राहुल गांधी ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए कहा, ये एक भयानक अलमिया है। मैं यहाँ हालात जानने और मदद के लिए आया हूँ। कश्मीर के तमाम लोगों ने इस भयानक हमले की मजम्मत की है और इस वक्त वो कौम के साथ हैं। मैं उन तमाम लोगों के साथ हूँ जिन्होंने अपने खानदान के अफराद को खो दिया है और पूरा मुल्क उनके साथ खड़ा है।
I met one of the people who was injured. I of course couldn't meet other family members and other people because the injured people have gone back. My love and affection to everybody who has lost family members, and I want everybody to know that the whole nation is standing together as one. We had a meeting yesterday with the government, and the united opposition condemned this action and said that we are there to support whatever action the government wants to take. The idea behind what has happened is to divide society, is to make brother fight brother, and it is very important that every single Indian stands united, stands together, so that we can defeat what the terrorists were trying to do. It's sad to see that some people are attacking my brothers and sisters from Kashmir and the rest of the country. And I think it's very important that all of us stand together, stand united, and fight this nasty action that has been taken and defeat terrorism once and for all. Thank you very much. Sorry. One second. I came here. I mentioned that I met one of the people who was injured. I also met Chief Minister and LG, and they briefed me about what had happened, and I assured both of them